When the spreader needs maintenance, first check whether the material shortage sensor is working properly. If there is material in the hopper, but no discharge during flight, check whether the disk motor is jammed. First, remove the auger motor by releasing its latches. Take out the auger. Remove the nut at the bottom of the spreading disc. Take out the spreading disc. Clean off any internal residues. Reinstall the bottom spreading disc. Make sure the disc is aligned with the holes during installation. After securing the nut, be sure to install the pin to prevent the nut from loosening. Reinstall the auger. Align it with the auger drive motor and secure latches.